I thought I would quickly go over the difference between a traditional derby shoe and a traditional Oxford shoe. Now, a lot of people get a little bit mixed up and they say, I want to make a pair of brogues. Well, broguing can be applied to any design of shoe. Broguing is this detail here where you've got these little sort of punched holes around the shoes in different areas. You can put that on a derby, an Oxford, like literally any design where you've got space to put broguing, you can put broguing. But it's most traditionally used on an Oxford style shoe. Now the difference between the two is that in a derby, the back section here overlaps the front section. So the front of the shoe goes underneath the back of the shoe. And with an Oxford, the front of the shoe goes over the top of the back of the shoe. So you can see that that front piece is going over the top of the back section there. And usually when you've got an Oxford, you've got a bit more space to add in the broguing detail. And you can see I added it in there as well to where the laces go. It's a touch more on the advanced side. I made this pair, oh gosh, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. But yeah, it's slightly more advanced, but still pretty easy to put together.